Now, what is the remedy for this above error? Do you have any workaround for above error? Answer is yes, we do have the workaround. The workaround is we need to learn what is the workaround I want to understand here. The workaround is learn about arrays. Learn about concept of what is this? Arrays. We need to learn about it. Okay, I want to go for plain package available that is called as array. What is the one of the module is available? Array. What is the purpose of this array? If I go and try to ask here, what is the purpose? You can notice this module defines an object type which can efficiently represent an array of basic values like characters, integers, floating points like that. But being a data science guy, better than this one, we have in our hand that is known as import numpy as np. NumPy is a one package. NumPy internally has above array whatever available. That array internally available. What is this? Array is separately model is available, right? We will not use that one. We will use inside the NumPy whatever we have the array concept that we'll try to use it. Now I want to create the array means, for example, 10, 20, 30, I am passing and I am trying to create an array. This is equal to A, I am saying it. Now, if I go and try to ask a type of A, it's saying as using NumPy we created. It is a n-dimensional array. N-dimensional array. We come to understand what you mean by n-dimension later. At this point of time, it is a one column data or not? It is a one column data, so it's a one dimension, nothing but. Now I want to see what is the shape of this one or what is the size of this one. What is the size here? 3 items are available, that is the size. This one, if I want to compare with, let us say your question initially 15, right? If I am trying to compare, I am able to do that comparison. If I am trying to do that, I am able to do that comparison, I am able to do it. Now we can observe it is a false and you can observe it is a true is available. That means one is available as a false, rest of things all are available as a true is available. So if I want to do the sum of this one, suppose how many people are more than 15 marks, then I can go and I can write here a greater than 15. Now you can see 2 is the answer. Based on this one, can you do our use case? In a school, they given, let's say 10 students. I want to know who are the people passed in the exam. Who are the people passed in the exam? Suppose they provide here marks is equal to one of the list, that is NP of array. Let us say one student got 20, other student got 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, something like this, they got it, for example. Now I want to go for here. I have here, let's say marks is available. Marks is greater than 35. I am trying to take it. Then you can see this is false, rest of all are what? True. So how many students are passed in the exam, how many students are failed in the exam? You can go and you can get here, let us say sum of, then marks greater than 35, then we are able to see how many students are passed. 7 members are passed in the exam. Total how many members are available? So these are nothing but 7 members out of 9 passed. How I know total 9 members are available? If I go for length of the marks, can I find the size or not? I can find the size. This is nothing but total number of students. This is nothing but total number of students. If I want to know how many members failed, how I can know? If I want to know how many members failed, simply I can write here whatever I have the marks minus whatever I have this one, I can write it, or you can change the condition, whatever you want it. If you want to change the condition also, you can do it. Now total what we got? 2 we got it. So in a school of marks they given to us, if I am trying to achieve same thing directly using the list, it is not possible because list and integer comparisons are not permitted. But same thing we're able to achieve by taking help of what? Array concept. By taking help of array concept. Please look into it. Then we'll move on to the next one. Thank you.